Hey Central Florida, this is Josh with Southern Construction. Just wanted to come out today and do a quick video. I'm in my showroom over here at 749 North State Road 415 in Osteen. We're right between Daytona Beach and Orlando. And today I want to talk to you about pricing. So I see a lot of guys on the internet putting out posts and advertisements saying $40,000 complete pool. That is false, just so you know. I don't know anybody who can possibly build a pool for $40,000 in today's market. Our pools start at $50,000 and they go up from there. And we like to be extremely transparent. So when you call us, we're going to send you an email, and I'm going to show you real quick how to establish what your budget is based off of a monthly payment if you're going to finance. And you can really use this tool to determine if buying a pool right now is for you, because we don't want to waste your time. We do offer free design services, free consultations, which we're happy to do, but we like to be very upfront with you. A lot of these guys are putting out these advertisements trying to get you in the door, and then they try to hit you with a bunch of extras, or even worse, they get you locked in for a swimming pool, and then they do a bunch of change orders that you weren't really prepared for. So we're a state certified contractor. We're held to a very high standard, and let me show you real quick how to check on your pricing. You'll check your email. You're going to get an email from me. There's a little description at the top that goes over my company. And if you scroll down, you'll see a great video of a pool that we recently installed here, followed by our license information and our phone number. Now down below, you're going to see our pricing. We are extremely transparent when it comes to our pricing. It's one of the biggest factors that comes in the planning process. And I want you to know right when you give us a call what the prices are and what to expect. So this is going to be all of our prices for all of our fiberglass pools. Also, it's a good place where you can get inspiration for a concrete pool, because we also build concrete pools. But let me just show you real quick how to look at this chart and understand how our pricing works. So at the top here, there's a little description of exactly what our total price is going to include at this price right here. On the left hand side, you're going to have the model name, the size of the pool, the depth of the pool, the total price, and then an upgraded color over here on the right side. So let's go ahead and let's just say, hey, I really think I have a budget of $50,000. Let's go look at the Cocoa Beach. So we're gonna go ahead and pop over to our Lion Financial website, and you'll see that this link is custom made to our company. We work with these folks all the time. They do an awesome job of getting people financed. There's some information about their company right here and what they can offer you. And then down here, you've got some examples. So these examples are going to show you how to use the calculator. So you got your total amount, your down payment, your interest rate, the period that you'll be financing for, and your monthly payment. So let's come down here and let's say that Cocoa Beach is $50,000 and no down payment. And let's look at their example here at an 8.49% interest rate. So we'll pop that in there. And then 20 years. Now you'll go ahead and hit the calculate button, and there you go, $433.60 a month. So this is a really good tool that you can use to look at the different financing estimates as far as your payment will go. Of course, the payment that you end up getting is going to be based off of your credit and a whole bunch of other factors that the finance people go through with you. So this was just a quick overview. I wanted everyone to see exactly how to use our pricing sheet and see what we can offer you. So that's it. So now you can really look at the pricing at home and decide if it's the right time for you to build a swimming pool. Give me a call today. My name is Josh, Southern Construction. We service all of Central Florida, and we are building pools in record time right now. We are putting pools out in about 12 to 16 weeks. And we specialize in fiberglass and concrete. So if you have any questions on what would work best for your backyard, please give me a call. My number is 386-574-7567. Girls are standing by in the office to take your call, and we will get your information and take good care of you. Have a great day.